Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to revise your map skills. How to fill map, how to locate different places. Very important. First, you have to make the location of places with their symbols. Like this is the symbol. I have told you green color and this it's blue color. Like on the same map you have to locate more than one places, more than one locations, then you have to use different symbols or different colors so that it can be identified easily. Suppose there is first question, that question is cotton textile mills. I have given cotton textile mills Surat, Mumbai, Indore, Kanpur, Coimbatore, that is in Tamil Nadu, and I have to locate this with I have made the symbol this one green color symbol, and where it is green color symbol it shows that there are cotton mills. Suppose first I have taken this Kanpur, right? Then Indore, then I have taken this Coimbatore, that is in Tamil Nadu. So that when you recognize, when you identify this green color, obviously you will know about the cotton textile mills that is symbolized here. That is symbolized here. All these three are the cotton textile mills of India. And on second thing is that is iron and steel plants. Iron and steel plants that I have marked with blue stars, right? Like this one Vizianagaram in Karnataka and Salem in Tamil Nadu, then Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, then Bekaro in Jharkhand, Durgapur in this one West Bengal, Jamshedpur, that is on their West Bengal, and this Jharkhand or Bekaro border. In this way you may take these very importantly. Then next is I have located here software technology parks. Software technology park. First that is Srinagar. Here it is Srinagar. Then Noida. Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir. Noida in UP. Then we have taken Gandhinagar, that is in Gujarat. Then I have located Pune, that is in Maharashtra. Mumbai, that is in Maharashtra. Then Hyderabad, Telangana nowadays. Okay, Andhra Pradesh ke साथ ही है. The next one is Chennai and Bengaluru nowadays, and Trivandrampuram in the southern part of India. All these are the software technology park. You may be asked in the exam to locate it. So keeping your examination in mind point of view, I have started this revision once again. Then our next is very important different seaports and airports. Different seaports and airports. I have marked it along with the state and location. Kandla Port, its location Kandla Kutch in Gujarat. Then Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Mumbai, its state is Maharashtra. Then name of the port is Marmagao, and it is name of the state is Goa. Then next is port is New Mangalore Port, that is in that one location is Mangalore, state is Karnataka. Then I have taken this port, Tuticorin Port. Tuticorin's location in Tamil Nadu. And then I have taken this Kochi Port. Kochi is the name of place and its state is Kerala. Then next one I have taken Chennai Port and state is Tamil Nadu. Then I have taken Paradeep Port. Paradeep Port, Odisha. Its state name of the state is Odisha. Then I have taken this Vishakhapatnam Port on Andhra Pradesh. Then I have taken Haldia Port, that is on West Bengal. So if you see that I have marked it coast wise, eastern I have taken these one, east western coastal seaports, right? And all these are the eastern coastal seaports. These are the eastern coastal seaports, these are the western coastal seaports. So in this way it is easy to learn, right? That's why I have made this table. Accordingly you will see, accordingly you can see it also. On my right hand side I have taken this eastern coastal ports, and on my left hand side I have taken western coastal ports. Now you may see these ports from this map. Ports as an exact location is there. Exact location is there for the ports, right? This one first Kandla, right? This is side of the map where this Arabian Sea is there. It is our western coastal seaports, and these are our eastern coastal seaports. These are our eastern coastal seaports. So in this way you have to learn this location, their direction wise, right? Their direction wise you have to classify the ports. Like first I have located Kandla port, name of the state is, I earlier told you, Gujarat. Then we have Mumbai port, right? That is here in Maharashtra. Then Marmagao, that is Goa, right? Very small state is there, you have to locate here, it's Goa. Then I have located this one, New Mangalore, Karnataka. New Mangalore in the part of Karnataka. Then I have located Kochi port, southern tip or southern side of Karnataka. Then simultaneously here it is Tuticorin. Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. You may learn it with the help of T for Tamil Nadu, and T for Tuticorin, K for Kerala, K for Kochi. So don't get confused regarding these ports. Then our next port is Chennai, right? Chennai is there. That is also Tamil Nadu. Its old name was Madras. Then you have to take this Vishakhapatnam, right? That is on the this Andhra Pradesh on the coast. Then Paradeep port, it is in Odisha. Then Haldia port is there on the river Hooghly nearby, right? It is in the West Bengal. So in this way you have to learn these ports direction wise. Direction wise you may learn these seaports. And our next is, I am going to tell you about that. I have prepared software technology park that we have done already. Then I can tell you fantastically about the different types of soils, identification of the soils. You have to take soil. How can you identify these soils? In this way, please. In this way you can identify this colorful map. And before you go for map, I would like to tell you about this index part. Nearby map you have to prepare this index part. Like for forest soil I have used, forest and mountain soil I have used dark green color. Then alluvial soil I have used light green color. And let us go to the map. Like this dark green color areas, these areas Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, these contain mountainous soil. These areas have mountainous soil. Somewhere here Sikkim, and somewhere on some Arunachal Pradesh, topmost northern part of Arunachal Pradesh. Then I told you here green color I have used for this one, light green color used for alluvial soil. For that identification we have to identify these light green color areas like Punjab, Haryana, UP, here some part of Jharkhand, West Bengal, some these coastal areas nearby, right? Coastal areas also here, this one, and some part of this southern Rajasthan and some part of this Gujarat having this alluvial type of soil. Then, as it is clear from the color, like red and yellow soil, red color has been used and black color for black soil. Let us identify it on the map. Like for red color, this one area, right? Some part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and here some part of this Chhattisgarh. Like in between thoda sa ये alluvial soil है because here are rivers Mahanadi or delta, that one. तो इसके कारण यहाँ otherwise this whole area is containing red and yellow soil, this one and this one. Kerala, Karnataka, mean to say western coast में everywhere there is red and yellow soil, but you have to take care there. Here is a margin part of red and yellow soil जो कोस्टल एरिया कर्नाटका से लेके केरला से मैंने थोड़ा सा मार्क किया है, दैट इज़ लाइट कलर. हियर इट इज़ लैटेराइट सॉइल, हियर इट इज़ लैटेराइट सॉइल, बिल्कुल कोस्टल के थोड़ा सा पास से. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ एरिड सॉइल, एज इट इज़ आई हैव मार्क्ड इट विद येलो कलर. Yellow color symbolizes the arid soil, arid somewhat desert soil, that I have tried to show you with this yellow color. With this yellow color, you may take screenshot of this map also to study yourselves further. So in this way, this is the different type of soils that are found in India. In this way, this is the exact way. Once again, I would like to tell you, you have to draw this type of index when you have to attempt your questions regarding your map skills. Thank you.